In the heart of a bustling city, a rat named Remy lived. Unnoticed and maligned, his existence a thorn in the side of mankind. A creature of the night, he scurried through the city's labyrinthine alleys. Food foraged, a life lived on the edge, a life shunned by society. One fateful night, Remy chanced upon a crumb of cheese. A prize so precious, a beacon of hope in the dark. But as he bit into the treat, a sudden jolt, a sharp pain. A splinter lodged in his gum, a reminder of his lowly station. In his despair, Remy pondered his fate. A life of scavenging, a life of pain, a life of solitude. He yearned for something more, a life of purpose, a life of grace. A life that would make him proud, a life that would make his heart race. In the depths of his sorrow, Remy stumbled upon a revelation. A chance to turn his life around, to rise above his station. He vowed to use his cunning and agility. To steal only what was needed, to live a life of harmony. Remy's transformation was not overnight. But with each passing day, he grew stronger, his resolve took flight. He learned to cook, to create, to bring joy to those he met. A rat with a heart of gold, a beacon of hope, a shining debt. The city began to change, its people began to see. A rat with a mission, a rat with a purpose, a rat they could believe. Remy's tale spread, inspiring others to rise and shine. A rat who proved that even the lowest of life could climb. In the end, Remy's story serves as a reminder that no matter our station, no matter our sin, we all have the power to change, to rise above our shame, and to live a life that's worthy, a life that's free from blame. So, remember the tale of Remy, the rat who rose above. A creature once scorned, now revered, a symbol of love. For even the lowliest of us can rise and conquer our fate. If we dare to dream, if we dare to create.